Hello everybody, welcome to another Tuesday morning unboxing. My name is Liz and I am here on behalf of Class Act to share some brand new arrivals with you this week. So since it's already 10:30, let's just hop right into it. I'm gonna move this stuff off to the side so we have a little bit more room to showcase this first pile here. Okay. Without any further ado, we're going to start off with some new waffle flour. This is the ornate bookmark die, which is very, very cool. So here you have an actual bookmark shape, and then you have this like filigree that you can use inside of it. Check them out on the website. They have all kinds of great photos to actually show you what the possibilities are with this one, but it looks pretty fun. So especially for all you book lovers or people who know book lovers, I think this would be a really cute little item to include in all kinds of things. You could stick it in a card. You could use it for art journaling. You could make bookmarks for your loved ones. The list goes on and on. So this one is very, very cool. Up next, we have this stamp and die set. This one is called Lattice Sentiment Combo. So it is indeed a stamp and die set, and it includes sentiments like thanks so much, thinking of you, you make my heart smile, hello friend, feel better soon, happy birthday to you, have a wonderful birthday, all the hugs, you will forever be my always, and love you. And then these would look phenomenal if you did them not only in black ink, if you made them in colorful ink, if you use embossing powder. Again, endless possibilities with this guy. And then we have this holiday centered one. This one is called Holiday Cheer. It includes sayings like happiest of holidays, believe in the magic, making spirits bright, warm and cozy, Merry Christmas, season's greetings, Merriest Christmas, Happy Holidays, oh what fun, and sending holiday cheer. And then there's a coordinating die set for this one as well, so we love that. Then we have this book lovers sentiments set. This one's called Story Sentiments from Waffle Flour, but it's adorable. It says things like, all I need is a cup of coffee and a good book and you. Thanks for being part of my story. Our story is my favorite. This is just the beginning of the story. Make this birthday one for the books. I love you more than my books. For my favorite word nerd, treat yourself. Happy birthday to my favorite non-fictional character. Our story keeps getting better and better. I can't wait to see the next chapter, and they lived happily ever after. So this one covers a lot of bases. I love it. Then we have the Simple Shelves die. So this one is a die set. It actually does like a little bookshelf, but you could also use the inserts and turn them into books themselves. They wouldn't sit on the shelf, but it's multifaceted, which I love. So this one is Simple Shelves die from Waffle Flour. Then we move on to the Classic Books die. Now these guys would fit on these simple shelves. And indeed, this is so cute. You can make all kinds of different books for all the book lovers, pair it with that little book stamp. You could do stacks of books. You could do shelves of books if you have tier trays or want to make recipe books. You could do all kinds of things. We have from Alt New just a small sampling here with me, starting off with this one. This is the Wonderful Wool Layering Die Set. So for all the knitters or crocheters, this one is unbelievably cute. This is a die set, so it comes with everything to create little spools of yarn, balls of yarn. I'm not a knitter, please excuse me. And then you get your knitting hooks, your crochet hooks. And you can customize them in all kinds of fun, different colors as well. So for all you knitters, this one's for you. We have a stamp, die, and stencil combo from Alt New. This one is called Bird on Bloom. So this comes with this lovely bloom stamp set, and then the stencil, as well as the bird and some coordinating dies to cut out the sentiments. And again, check them out online because you'll see some really cute examples. Go to our website, classact.ca, find the menu, click shop, new arrivals, and the month of October. Hi, Sharon. This is cute, isn't it? I don't know if you're referring to this or the knitting one, but they're both really sweet. Then we have this one here. This one is called Peony and Lilac Swag. This is an outline stamp set. I believe we also have the die at the store. So this one's lovely. It's a gorgeous peony flower, beautiful size for journaling, for scrapbooking, and sentiments include things like spread kindness, don't give up on your dreams, you're a ray of sunshine on a cloudy day, don't lose hope, hi, great things take time, I go to nature to be soothed and healed and to have my senses put in order. The best things in life are not material things, they are feelings, experiences, and mindful moments. That is my idea of magic. Then we have some dies from Hero Arts, including this one, which is called Confetti Die. That's fun. So not only will this cut like a really cool swirly pattern, but you could also cut it in different colors and then piece the different colors in, make it really like colorful, very great for birthday cards. But this is also nice for like winter. You can make it look like a bluster of snow and do all kinds of things that way. So, ta-da! We have this one here. This one is called Swirly Christmas Tree. This is a stamp and die combo from Hero Arts. And it is indeed like kind of swirly, kind of funky, and this would be a ton of fun to use different colors on. It says things like "'Tis the season, sending Christmas cheer, wishing you the joy of the season, happiest of holidays to you." Then we have this one. This one is called North Pole Scenics Bundle. So this is again, stamp and die bundle. It says things like "'Tis the season, sending holiday cheer, happy holidays." And then you have all these little silhouettes of children and reindeers and villages. This would be so much fun if you just blended a background, stamped it out. Very simple, very effective. And there's also coordinating dies, so you can actually pop some of these and just make it really 3D and fun. From Alt New again, we have this one. This is called Cardinal Love Layering Die Set. So it comes with everything you need to make 2 different variations of cardinals on a little branch. And you can swap out the colors that you use, so you could make them like traditional and red. You could do browns, you could do blues and turn it into a blue jay, I'm sure. So cardinals are always fun. It actually suggests different ink colors or paper colors if you want to go that route, so that's helpful. Then we have this and many other embossing folder stencil combos, but this one is called Festive Greenery from Alt New. So this is an embossing folder. It's super, super cute. I haven't seen this one, that's why I grabbed it. And then the coordinating stencil. So you can actually do a really cool embossing folder trick, and then you can stencil it, and it just looks like you're a professional card maker. I'm sure many of you already are. Then let's move on to this pile now. Before we get too far into it, there's a cute little washi tape here from L'Enfant. This one is called Book Club. So again, you could just take this washi tape and that little shelf die, and you could do a scene that way, but it's really, really cute. It's got books and cactuses and all kinds of things you would find on a little bookshelf. It's very sweet. Who doesn't love washi tape? We have the 8x8 vintage woodwork collection from Memory Place. We love wood grain patterns here. They're great because they pair with almost anything, or one of them will. Here's a little sample. This one's sort of like a beechwood paper, but then there's all kinds of different stains and washes and all kinds of things in here. We have from Find It Trading this adorable little 3D punch-out sheet. This one's called Glowing Christmas. And if you haven't tried the Find It Trading punch-out sheets, they're a lot of fun. So they come with several layers, more than 3. And essentially you just punch them out of the page and layer them up, working largest to smallest, using foam dots in between. And then you get this awesome little dimensional, charming little topper. From 49 and Market, we have Foundations Page Protectors. This one is new, and I believe it works in, this one says the 6-ring binder. So it's got all kinds of different sizes of pockets and whatnot, and then you can insert your photos. It comes with 6 of each design. It's easier to see this way. So you get some 3x4 spaces, 2x2, and so on and so forth. And I love things like this because they're just really simple to add photos and embellishments and put together a really cohesive album very quickly. Up next, we have paper cutouts from the Golden Harmony collection. These are really cute. They come with handles and locks and windows and books and flowers. Very lovely. They look like they're actually similar to the 49 and Market laser cutouts. Like these would actually punch out. So despite the fact that it's called a paper cutout, it looks like it actually punches out. So that's cool. No fussy cutting. Ta-da! There's also coordinating ephemera for this collection, paper ephemera. And I love these because they have that like hint of shimmer in them. So this one's very golden inspired for the Golden Harmony collection. And then we have this one here for the forest collection as well. Ta-da! I noticed a couple of you are saying the screen is freezing. I'm sorry if that's my internet. I'm hoping it will follow through, and when I repost the video or when you watch it on replay, it will work smoothly. I maybe in the meantime just exit out and try hopping back on. Sorry guys, I am not tech savvy. So yeah, this is from the Forest collection from Stamperia. We have a stamp set called Words to the Rescue. This one is a sympathy-centered stamp set, so it says things like a tearful goodbye to a special human being, holding you close in our prayers during your time of sorrow. May you be comforted in the light of love, in fond remembrance. Your heart has been broken in the most painful way. I'm so sorry. So really nice, classy stamp set there. Graphic 45, Merry and Bright ephemera. Look how lovely these are. So they go with the Merry and Bright collection. If I flip it over, it actually gives me a good sneak peek of what's in here. Hey Trish, thanks for joining. Ta-da! Then from Photoplay, we have this adorable collection. This one is called Hot Diggity Dog, and it is indeed made for the dog lovers out there. So you have different pattern papers that include things like dog bones and a little groomer sheet, food bowls. Very nice, very colorful. There's also a sticker sheet, some journaling cards. I love this. Well, it's not going to throw itself. And you had me at woof. Queen of cute, king of cute, hot diggity dog. And if I flip it over, here are some of the sticker sheets that are included. All you need is love and a dog. Adorable. And look at all these little chew toys. And dogs. Adorable. So that's great for documenting fur babies. Then we have this latest collection from Simple Stories. This one is called Simple Vintage Holly Jolly. Starting off here with the foam stickers. Ta-da! These are phenomenal. Then we have Simple Vintage Holly Jolly chipboard stickers. I love the nostalgia of this collection. It is very like, I want to say 50s inspired with just the different imagery and stuff. It's so stinking cute. Then we have Simple Vintage Holly Jolly sticker book. So this includes 12 sheets, 314 stickers, And here are a sampling of them. So you get banners, you get ornaments, you get different dates. If you're doing December daily, how fun would that be? Little sentiments, including things like all wrapped up. Let me just hold it nice and close for you. Ta-da! Decorative brads to go with this collection as well. So you get your brads at the top and then a couple more chipboard